Good day, everybody. Brian here for, for quantlabs.net. In this video, I'm going to talk about something I haven't talked about in a while, is MotiveWave. The things needed to keep MotiveWave, I guess, relevant against the changing competition. So let's go over it, and I hope this doesn't come off as a bash towards MotiveWave. I like MotiveWave a lot. That's why I chose it. That's why I stay committed to it for a variety of reasons, which I may cover in this video. But important, I'm sure you want to know, usual 4:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time here on March 17th, 2022. So, as I said, the two things that MotiveWave has, I'm going to address this first, is a way for MotiveWave to feed into execution orders from an external source, be it a flat file or Python, and with Python you can do more, obviously. But with MotiveWave, I think to have the external stores, meaning I can have my Python scripts generate potential orders that MotiveWave would listen to, and look for changes in those files or new files coming into, I don't know, a subdirectory or something, pick them up, and you get an entry order or an order for an exit, and have the chart automatically open up for that particular instrument, be it crypto, whatever, forex or some kind of equity, and then be able to at the same time apply the strategy once that chart's open up for the instrument, and then have another source or an exit command to exit the trade, and then have MotiveWave do all that. And then the nice thing is, if that was available, you'd be able to use MotiveWave, which has got some excellent reporting features when it comes to live orders via your account. So that's all the hard work is done within MotiveWave, so use it. But it helps to bridge a lot of features that MotiveWave will not have and may not have, as it needs for a lot of traders out there, including myself, for a variety of things, be it machine learning or back trading library that MotiveWave doesn't have. So let's take a look at the competition. First, let me talk about platforms. MT5 has some kind of connection from MT5, and there's a difference between it being provided by a third-party source versus something that comes from the vendor itself, meaning it's an official supported option as part of the platform. That's what I'm talking about. So one of the newer platforms came out. I mean, I know MotiveWave's been out for a while, but this is one of the newer platforms I know some industry like HFT guys are using. Quant Tower, it's out of Ukraine. Here's the roadmap right there, Python package. So it's there. They want an R package as well, but let's face it, Python is the most popular language out there, and more people are moving towards it from Java into Python. So I guess there is somewhat a need there, and it's a planned feature. So I can't really say what's in here under development, doesn't matter. But let's check out what some of the other competition is. So we got here Ameritrade 5 for Forex, Quant Tower, the newer one, and here we have NinjaTrader. This is an important one as well, because under NinjaTrader, this is a really popular, I'd say it's probably the most popular platform out there. Here, somebody asked about it. Look what the response is from their support. External DLL, and then have another DLL communicate with the Python. So it can be done. I don't know if they'll support that, but it can be done. It's an option. Natively within MotiveWave. You'd probably be able to develop some kind of jar file. That's getting kind of sketchy. This might be another sketchy option, but I think even if this was not the case, not officially supported by NinjaTrader, that's going to be a problem, because when you have a very specific Python package that is from the vendor, then yeah, they'll take responsibility for it, I would assume. Now let's look at Ameritrade, another one. And now TD Ameritrade owns Thinkorswim. So here you can see somebody wrote TD Ameritrade Python API. Again, I don't know if this is official, but somewhere, somehow, somebody's written something. And there's an actual article, a Medium article I found. Let me see here. Thinkorswim Python. Let's see if this finds it. Thinkorswim TOS data bridge. So it's sort of popular right here. This is the one I was probably looking at. So it's not officially supported, but that looks like that Matthew guy. Oh no, something different. Anyway, so I guess it's kind of been talked about. But if you look at MotiveWave Python, you'll get my stuff. But at the end of the day, it's got to be right from the vendor. No other option, not through third party. But I don't know. I think it just adds to the use of the platform, because a lot of people, from me, are trying to figure out how to integrate with whatever they're doing with MotiveWave. They like MotiveWave, so we'll leave it to that. So that's where it's at. And as I said, and keep saying, you'll see it at the top here right now, quantlabs.net/contact. Just go up there and get on my email list. You can get more information about MotiveWave as I start looking into it more, trying to figure ways. I mean, there are ways to get around it, but again, it's really sketchy. Depends upon your setup. And Quantlabs HTML contact. That always helps, doesn't it? Quantlabs.net/contact to get on the email list. Right there. Okay, so that's about it. That's all I want to suggest. Let me know what you think. Comment away in YouTube or wherever you find this video.